Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So you guys, this episode starts off at the Dlamini mansion. Kusekseni, people are seated around the table. They are having breakfast, and guess who kamukas out of the blue, guys, from one of the rooms. Unengelosi kushukuthi uPhetheni invited Unengelosi over from yesterday to sleep in the house. So anyway, Unengelosi walks into the dining room where everyone is seated having breakfast. And then is like, oh, nangu gogo, nasihlalo gogo ngikubekele sona. Unengelosi comes in, she's like, ngiyabonga mntanam, sanibonani, yo wow, waze wanuka kamnandi lana. She sits down and then she says, yazangazi ukuthi ngagcina nini ukuhlala nomndeni ngidle now. As she's speaking like that, uThuli comes in, she brings something, she puts it etafuleni. Unengelosi is like, hayi, yazi wena yangichaza oda wena. uThuli is like, ngempela gogo. And then Unengelosi says, yeah, when Kinje, you are full of life. And then ulokuzana uThuli silahleke. And then uThuli says, thanks gogo. Then uWenzeni is like, okay guys, mina gine announcement to make. Kusukela namhlanje senizongibiza ngoWinnie. Yigama enginikezwe ugogo lelo. Sengishintshe negama lami ku-Instagram to the real Winnie. And then everyone laughs. Everyone's laughing, guys. Can see everyone's happy to have Unengelosi there. The only people who are not laughing is uPhetheni benonjengayo. UNjengayo, of course, he can't laugh. How will he laugh when his wife, you can see uPhetheni akekho right? Then uKwanzo says, yazini Wenzeni, the real Winnie really sounds just right. And then uWenzeni is like, yabona ke Kwanzo yabona, and then kuhlekwe. Then uWenzeni says, kodwa ke ma, siyabonga. Siyabonga ngokuthi usinikeza ithuba lokuthi sihlangane nogogo. uPhetheni, guys, she looks so bored. Akazi ukuthi athini. She just says, oh. And then everyone sees ukuthi it's awkward because uPhetheni doesn't even know what to say. And then uKwanzo just says, okay, guys, let's dig in. I'm starving. Akudlweni. And then that scene just ends like that. Next scene there we see uZama benosibongile. They are at campus. They are sitting at some bench. Then kufika uZanele, the Amatshitshi group leader, negroup yakhe. She's busy speaking noSibongile laphayana. She's like, umzwile ukuthi ngithini Sibongile azithulele, guys. Ugirl is like, hayibo manje, like, what will it be? Uhamba nathi noma? uSibongile just keeps quiet, abhekisa ikhanda phansi. uZanele is like, hayibo Sibongile, ngikhuluma nawe phela. uZama is like, whoa Ima, whoa sisi, awubona ukuthi mhlambe le drama yenu niyoyenzela kwenye indawo. uZanele then says, ngicela ukuthi ungimele kancane nje ngoba akekho umuntu okhuluma nawe sisi. She looks at uSibongile, she's like, lalela ke Sibongile, uzobuyela kuthina once you back emqondweni wakho, once you're back to your senses, when you know ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani ngempilo yakho. Okwamanje-ke bengicela ukuthi you must give me lawa ama-beads engakunikeza wona. uSibongile is like, hawu ngobani Zanele, ngoba angenzanga lutho nje. uZanele is like, okay-ke uzongisiza-ke unikeze ngesinye isikhathi ngoba I need them. Futhi-ke awusekho segroupini yethu. And then she looks at her girl, she's like, asambeni. They leave like that. Guys, they just dumped uSibongile like that. Kanti uZanele unjani? She just wants to boss people like that. Like, yo. As they're walking away, uZama's like, wow, oh, hi, kahleni bo, hayi idrama engaka. But you can see uSibongile is so sad and so disappointed, you guys. Next scene, we see uSamke uHwambalenhle. She's sitting there nobhuti wakhe. They were having a conversation. uSamke is like, angiyabazi nje ekhaya ukuthi banjani. Umndeni wethu, hayi shame. Kuhlekwe-ke, they both laughing there. uNtombela is like, hayi phela, ngiyathembe sisi wami, ngiyabazi labantu. And then uSamke is like, awuboni ngani, or awuboni ukuthi mina sengikhethe ukuthi ngizithulele. Phela mina ngiyayithanda ipeace yami. As she's speaking like that, having a conversation on Ntombela, her phone rings. Abheka ifoni-ke, and she's like, oh, athi ngiphendule nangu uPhetheni phone. And then uNtombela is like, okay-ke, bye-bye mama, bese ngihamba vele. Phetheni uSamke answers the phone. She's like, sawubona Phetheni, uyaphila kodwa? uPhetheni is like, yazi wena, ufanelwe yi-award. USamke then says i-award yeyi usuza ngezintsha-ke manje. UPhetheni like umthetho wakho bowuthi uzamani? You are trying to bring my family down, but you won't get that award ngikutshele. Ngoba-ke your efforts azizange ziphumelele. Yazi Samke, ubuzama ukuthi ungihlukanise nomndeni wami, wa-backfire lokho. Yabona sinoma siyazwana kahle nje, izinto sesizilungisile. We agreed ukuthi yonke into that happened in the past, we are going to forget everything that happened, and then we isoqhubeka nje. Unjani mokunje Samke? USamke ahleke and she's like, hey wena Phetheni. UPhetheni zakuhlekani. And then uSamke says, what's new lapho? Uyakhumbula wena noma wakho have done that before? Nazama ukuphetha izinto, nazama ukuthi nilungise izinto, waphelelaphi? Uyakhumbula ngaleso sikhathi nazama ukuthi nilungise izinto, by the time ukwenze zalwa. Waphelelaphi Phetheni? UPhetheni is like, yeah, wabukudala lapho, izinto sezihlukile-ke manje. USamke is like, ayi-ke, izinto zishintshile. Okay-ke, ngizwa ngawe-ke. Okay-ke, if izinto zishintshile, ngikufisela inhlanhla. And then uPhetheni just hangs up the phone. But you can see there's this worry on uPhetheni's face, like to think ukuthi, like, uSamke does have a point. Maybe uma wakhe akashintshanga, and they've been going in cycles for years. Next scene there, we see uNjengaye. He's at the office. He's speaking to some lady. He's like, ngiyathemba ukuthi sizosebenzisana kahle sonke. And then the lady's like, nami ngithemba njalo. I feel at home already. Then uKwenzo walks into the office. uNjengaye then says, how wenzo kuhle ndodana. Khona umuntu engifuna ukuthi engifuna ukwazisa kuye ndodana. Uthabisile-ke lo. They look at each other and you can see there's an awkward tension between one another. I'm like, bayazana laba or what? uNjengaye goes on to say ukuthi uThabisile-ke or uThabile, her name is uThabile. uThabile, she will be working with us in the next upcoming weeks. Uyena-ke ozobhekana nencwadi, zonke incwadi nje zenkampani. And then I remembered, izolo. Remember when uLokhuzana uNdile took uKwenzo out izolo? When uKwenzo was leaving the club, you guys, because he was so irritated, he bumped into some lady's chair. And then the lady was like, hi, Bowena, why are you being so rude? uKwenzo was just so mad, he just walked out. So that lady from the club, it's the same lady. But I'm just like, the way they're looking at one another is as if they've got history together. Like, that is not deep. Like, how many times do people go to the club and people are rude? But anyway, this girl, like, like, she's just irritated ngoKwenzo because she remembers the incident, izolo. So uKwenzo says, ngiyajabula ukwazi Thabile. And then he shakes his hand, but he takes out his hand to shake her hand, but you can see ukuthi akafuni, but she's just doing it for the sake of uNjengaye sitting in front of her, uNjengaye being her boss. uLokhuzana uKwenzo goes on to say, igama lami nginguKwenzo wakwaDlamini. And then the girl, she just nods her head, like she doesn't even say anything. Then uKwenzo's like, uKwenzo doesn't even know what to say because unamahloni. uNjengaye then says, all right, hayi-ke mina-ke let me go ngiyokwenza ama-call ambalwa. Hlalani nina nibe nazana-ke, okay? And then he gets up and he walks out. Then uKwenzo's left with this lady, and then he's like, Thabile, right? Bengisacela ukuxolisa bandla about the other night. I really wasn't myself, and angifuni ukuthi ngibukeke ngendlela ngibukeke njengomuntu obuhlaza, like that's not me. Then uThabile is like, hayi kulungile akunankinga, we all go through such moments, angikublame me, and you didn't do any damage, so it's fine, it's okay. Then that scene ends like that. Next scene, kwaDlamini household, uNjengaye there, he's busy blowing ivuvuzela, running around the house. uThemba there walks into the house with his soccer attire. uNjengaye is like, mfanam, sibalukhulu, malandela. Yabona wena mfanam, you will make me proud wena. Ngizoziqhenya ngawe mntanami. And then uThemba's like, baba. uNjengaye is like, yini manje mfanami lo oyiphethe? ulokhuzana uThemba says i-energy drink baba izonginikeza i-boost phela yo baba nginovalo like uvale enginalo about tomorrow's game kusho ukuthi uThemba is going to play a big game, a big soccer game. Unjenga is like, hi, suka, there's no need to be nervous. Wena phela you will make it, mfanam. Like, yabana wena, I see you playing for le team le engisupportayo. I see you uhamba umhlaba njena. Like, ama-fans looking at you, clapping for you, ebizigama lakho. Like, wena mfanam, here you are going for. Uvusi comes in, he's like, hayi baba, musukudlala ngoThemba. uThemba uzodlalela i-team yami. Yabona Themba ngikutshele, i-team kababa only has 9 wins this season. Lapho-ke eyami team seyiwine kawu-14. And then Unjenga is like, awumuzeke. Uvusi then says, i-team yami ihamba phambili, ungakhathazeki. Unjenga is then like, Unjenga then says ukuthi uyamuzwa-ke umfowenu. Uyamuzwa umfowenu ukuthi uzama ungixhomela lana. Mina mfanami ngithi uyabona kusasa nje when the provincial scouters arrive, mele ukuthi mebebheka nje mfanami babona ubuso bakho bugamile nje because wena umfana wakwaSibalikhulu. And then ulokhuzana, you can see guys ukuthi uThemba, he's feeling the pressure. Yes, Unjengaye and Uvusi, they are excited for him, but they're putting pressure on him ukuthi he must win this game. Unjengaye is like, mele uwine mfanami, yangizwa. uThemba's like, yebo baba ngiyawuzwa. Unjengaye is like, yithi ngingusibalikhulu. And then uThemba just keeps quiet. He's like, isho phela, isho uzowina kusasa. uThemba then says ukuthi ngingusibalikhulu. And then Unjenga is like, nazoke. Uvusi is like, hayi noba ngakutshela kanjalo kodwa ungalidlaleli i-team like. Then they all laugh, you guys. But you can see uThemba, shame. Themba is an overachiever, guys, and they're so proud of him. But it does seem like it's putting pressure on him. Next scene, uVelaphi is there, Wambambo, and the phone rings, and then she answers the phone. uVelaphi is like, Sbosh, hello. Then uSibongile is like, sawubona Velaphi, ukhona ubaba? uVelaphi is like, oh, hi lutho, like ngingedwa la endlini and akakabuyi ubaba. And then uSibongile is like, oh, okay. uVelaphi is like, indaba wazwakala ingathi awukho right, like indaba. That time guys uSibongile iyakhala. She is crying over this thing ukuthi bamxoshile in that Amatshichi group. uSibongile is like, hayi ngikahle nje bengimbheka nje kuphela. Then uVelaphi says, oh, okay, awushe-ke kuhamba kanjani eVarsity? Oh, futhi Sibongile yazi ubaba usitshelile ukuthi he mentioned ukuthi wena you joined Amatshichi group. Kuhamba kanjani lokho? uSibongile is like, bangixoshile Velaphi. uVelaphi is like, ima-ke Sibongile, usho ukuthini ukuthi baxoshile? Uchaza ukuthi wena awusiyona uSibongile is like, cha, ngiseyiyona Velaphi. Angazi ukuthi kwenzekeleni, bavele bangijikela nje esikhaleni. uVelaphi then says, well, if I were you, I wouldn't worry about that. Amaphutha ayenzeka empilweni Sibongile. Singabantu futhi sifunda kanjalo, sikhula kanjalo. Mina nje into engizokutshela yona yukuthi wena phakamisa ikhanda lakho ubheke phambili. There's a lot that you are still going to achieve, Sibongile. Futhi-ke lento, it's a small hurdle on your road to success. Ungakhathazeki, ngiyazi ukuthi uzoba right nje Sibongile. uSibongile zathi ngiyabonga kakhulu sisi wami, like I really needed to hear that. Ngiyabonga. That scene ends. Next scene guys, we see uSibongile ayibo ukhetha impahla laphayana. She's busy with the clothes on her bed. Uzama angene-ke on uSibongile is like, Zama, ngicela ukuthi siphume namhlanje. Uzama looks at uSibongile, she's like, Imi, ngempela. uSibongile is like, yazi mina ngikhathele of sitting endlini feeling sorry for myself. Uzama's like, hey, mnganami, yazi I thought you would never come back to life. Finally mnganami, ufuna ukuthi siyephi? uSibongile then says ukuthi ngizwile ukuthi ukhona uDJ ozobe edlala lana, so I don't want us to miss out on that. Uzokusiza-ke nawe ukuthi ubheke into ozogqoka bese siyahamba and we can go and have fun. Uzama's like, sisi, look at yourself, ayibo usuplane sizame nje to steal the show laphayana. And then uSibongile's like, ayibo sobabili sizoyintshontsha ishow. Uzama's like, vele ke. Then uSibongile's like, yazi angifuni nje ukuthi sibe sicabanga izinto eziningi, ngifuna nje ukuthi sijabule kuphele, sikhohle nje iy'nkinga zomhlaba. Uzama's like, awunganami, ayibo. And then they start laughing and they preparing there. I'm just like, yeah, hayi uSibongile, shame. Then, last scene, we see uPhetheni, guys. She's sitting at Ameren like, but she looks so furious. She looks so angry. And then when Jengaye comes in, he sits on the bed. And uPhetheni is like, ingane, we're not supposed to find out like this. Unjengaye just says, it's okay. Onke kuzolunga. Guys, I don't know what is it that uPhetheni, I think uPhetheni has a perfectionist mind. She did not want the children to find out which she has a mother or her mother still alive. And even if she did, she wanted to be the one to be in control of the whole narrative. Now that she's not the one in control of the whole narrative and she's seen ukuthi ingane love uNengelosi, she is losing it, you guys. But the way she's so angry, I'm just like, I hope ukuthi uPhetheni does not plan anything funny, you guys, against uNengelosi or to get uNengelosi out of their lives. But anyway, guys, that is the recap of the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.